I'm David Gross with Conde Systems, and I'm here to issue a personal invitation to you to come down to our open house. And it is an incredible event for you to go to. You'll see all the Conde staff, of course, and all our wonderful products. There'll be some hands-on demonstrations. We'll have lots of vendors, and we'll have some great classes for you to attend to sharpen your skills so we can help you be more successful. In addition, hey, while you're down here, visit our beautiful beaches at Gulf Shores and in Pensacola.
Come join us in Mobile, Alabama for the 2018 Conde Systems Open House, Saturday, June 2nd. Go online and register today.
This is an opportunity you don't want to miss, so go online and register. We look forward to seeing you. Thank you.